Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set the power limitation of your induction hob Siemens. So, in the first step, turn on your device and hold the key lock within 10 seconds for some time. Then click on the key lock again, and now by again the key lock button, go to the C7 function. There we have a C7 function. The 0 means the function is deactivated. The 1 is a 1000 watts and this is a lowest power limitation. The next one is a 3, so it's 3000 watts. 4 is 4000 watts, etc, etc. The maximum is a 9 level. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.